I'm all shook up. Yeah.
Oh, man, you know we are shaking things up tonight at K-Shake with the King, the Big E. You are carousing with Willie the Shake at KSHK 1010 AM, the gazillion kilowatt clear channel voice of freedom. You know I'll be spinning songs to shake you and wake you to sunup, or until those jokers from the FCC show up. Oh, you know I'm just playing nothing but the hits, that is.
July 16th, 1980. On that day, a federal auditor was waiting at the Hotel Credit Union when Phyllis returned from the yearly family vacation. Despite her surprise, Phyllis seemed to take the auditor's visit in stride.
Morning, Phyllis.
Oh, Chris, I wasn't expecting you.
Oh, didn't you get my card?
No, I didn't. I've been on vacation for a couple of weeks. You know, I read in the newspaper where these people take money from credit unions. I just don't understand how they can do something like that, how they can get away with it.
The auditor worked long hours both days, but he kept coming up short by nearly $250,000.
Phyllis, could you come in here for just a minute, please?
Did you have a question?
Yes, I think we have a problem. I did a check here of the trial balance on all three of these approaches, and as you'll see with the numbers, I've got the same error balance each time. Mm-hmm. You see what I mean?
Oh,
and so I've done this book, this sheet, this book, and the ones that are...
Once again, Phyllis seemed totally unruffled.
Okay, now have you done the last 2 weeks of me? I see it's just opened up until the second week.
I did through the bottom of that once, May 15th.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting married. I can't wait for you to walk me down the aisle.
I wouldn't miss that for the world, baby girl. You're gonna make a beautiful bride.
Who gives this woman to marry this man?
Her mother and I.
Featuring Marwin Brandgrow in one of history's most compelling trilogies, The God Buyer, Fit to Win.
When I agreed to see you this day of my beloved category review, it was because the people said you were a sincere man and that you would show me respect.
God Buyer, we have spoken to our friends at Pampers. Their research shows that consumers want a diaper that moves with the active baby and fits better for fewer leaks.
So what you're saying is a complete system that stops this sagging and gapping of which my family complains day after day, huh? So let's be frank, huh? You have asked me for more shelf space for this Velcro, but you ask it with no respect.
That's great. I'm glad to see you have cranberries up there too. Do nematodes have effective control in cranberry bogs?
Yeah, cranberry bogs are good environments for nematodes because the soil is moist. And both the Steinernema carpocapsae as well as the Heterorhabdita species are especially good at combating the black vine weevil grub.
This training series will focus on basic residential garage door and operator installation, which is where most door systems professionals begin. However, that doesn't mean that residential installation is an entry-level job. Garage doors and private homes represent the backbone of the overhead door industry and is by itself a vibrant and growth-filled opportunity.
No one understands me.
How so?
People think I'm a bloodthirsty brute.
Well, you are a dinosaur.
Well, it's a misconception. We're plant eaters. And then there's my color.
Yeah, you look pretty colorful to me.
Well, that's just it. People think that dinosaurs are colorless.
Let's talk about your other problem.
What?
Dinosaurs are extinct.
Extinct?
If you want to understand dinosaurs, we can help.
You were a duck-billed platypus 2 years ago. Is this thing on? Oh. Can you hear me? Louder? Okay.
Welcome to the 5th annual sales meeting of Universal Widgets Incorporated. We have a really great slideshow for you today, and so let's just begin with the first slide. Is anybody back there? Yeah, could you turn this upside down? I mean, rather, upside right? And we'll just go on to the next slide, okay? Is anybody back there? Well, yeah, well, can't you just jiggle the slide tray? There are no more slides?